Welcome back to Tips and Tricks. This month we'll look at why IT directors are moving to UnForm.cloud, a managed cloud-based document management solution. In today's digital landscape, IT directors are facing increasing challenges managing their organization's documents securely and efficiently. Let's explore why more leaders are turning to managed cloud-based document management solutions such as UnForm.cloud. Common pain points, security concerns, high costs, slow access. You're not just managing data, you're battling data breaches, regulatory demands, escalating costs from maintaining on-prem servers, and poor document access that hampers productivity, especially for remote workers. The solution: managed cloud-based document management, secure, scalable, cost-effective. The key benefits: enterprise-grade security. Your documents stay protected with advanced encryption, role-based access controls. Security is no longer a worry. It's built into the system. Cost-effective and scalable. Reduce operational costs by eliminating expensive hardware. With flexible pricing, you pay only for what you use, and scale up or down as your business grows without the need for costly upgrades. Any document, anywhere, with anytime access. Empower your workforce with secure, remote access to documents from any device at any time. No more complicated VPNs or frustrating network issues. Powerful search and automation. Leverage powered searches to locate files instantly and automate repetitive workflows, boosting productivity and allowing your team to focus on more strategic tasks. Disaster recovery and backup. Rest easy knowing your data is always protected. Automatic backups and disaster recovery ensure your information is secure, recoverable, and business continuity is never at risk. It's time to simplify document management, enhance security, cut costs, increase productivity with a managed cloud-based document management solution. To learn more about UnForm.cloud, go to unform.com or call 800-467-374. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tips and tricks, contact Dan Schmitt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm Tips and Tricks, thank you. We'll see you next month.